Lesson 14. I'm going to miss out 13 because it's unlucky and I don't like ending on that one. But this is all about marketing, what it's all about. So the first thing a company may do, it may set marketing objectives, which is looking at its branding, what's its sales growth going to be, is it going to move abroad, what about the sales volume? And they're going to analyse that particular market. And when you analyse it, you're going to use primary or secondary research. And once you've collected all that data, is it quantitative data, is it qualitative data, what sort of sampling technique are you going to use, how much are you willing to spend on it, how much does the company want to spend, is it going to be a scientific marketing, which a lot of companies will do, that if they're going to spend a lot of money on it, or is it going to be a hunch that they feel that it's going to work? So your sampling size is also important here. And then you've got to look at once you collect the data, is there a good correlation? Is what's the extrapolation like? What's the sales volume like in the past? How confident can you be in terms of that particular sampling method? And there are different types of ways in which you can observe the market. You can observe it, you can do a survey, you can do test marketing where you can actually produce a product and test it out there. And then we've got these two concepts here which are very, very useful in terms of business studies A level. Also in terms of economics as well, which is price and income elasticity demand. And remember that we looked at the Range Rover Evoque and we said, okay, the Range Rover Evoque it's price inelastic in China, therefore we can raise the price, but it's income elastic, which means as the Chinese get a high level of income, they're spending a lot of that extra income on those luxury products. Also, are we going to segment the market? So we're going to put the market we're going to segment the market into different subgroups, and then we're going to target those subgroups, and then we're going to position ourselves in the correct place in those markets. Therefore, we can target our advertising on that particular market. And then we've got this whole new brand of marketing, which is e-commerce, digital marketing, social media sites. And then we've got all the external influences that are occurring in all sorts of industries at this moment in time. So if you take the supermarket industry, there's all sorts of competition going on. 5-10 years ago, you would have assumed that Tesco's was always going to be the biggest, but now it's got real high level of competition, including farmers who are going straight from the farm directly to the customer. And then we've got the marketing mix on here, which is price, product, promotion, place, people, process, and the physical environment there. So we've got all these different things about marketing, and we want to try and create an integrated marketing mix with all these different things. And if you can do all of that, then you're probably going to have a pretty successful marketing strategy from there. So we've covered a lot of ground this morning in terms of all this, but this is to do with marketing, the marketing mix, and how we run things from here.